Chinese New Year. This Chinese New Year, Macro and Lotus warmly welcome everyone with happiness and unbeatable value. The festival is a special time for family and friends to come together and celebrate. We are ready to be your ultimate shopping destination, offering a complete and fulfilling experience. Macro and Lotus, your tourist destination for Chinese New Year. One stop for everything you need. Eat, shop, and enjoy. With a wide variety of products and services, we are here to meet all the needs of every traveler. Everything you are looking for. High quality fresh and dried goods. Perfect for preparing special family reunion meals. Chinese New Year essentials. Lucky oranges, ceremonial sets, moon cakes, and other auspicious items. Premium gifts. Food, beverages, and practical products at the best prices. Ready to eat meals. A variety of delicious and convenient dishes to suit every taste. Special activities you can't miss. To enhance the festive atmosphere, Macro and Lotus have prepared exciting activities to welcome all visitors, spreading joy and happiness throughout the celebration. Exclusive promotions tailored for Chinese New Year. Find amazing deals and fun at all branches nationwide. Wherever you are, Macro and Lotus are always ready to serve you. Start the new year with happiness at Macro and Lotus. Eat to your heart's content, shop to your delight, and experience a complete celebration in one place. See you at Macro and Lotus. This Chinese New Year, enjoy fun shopping, high quality goods, and value for every journey.